please formalize. Okay, sir.
This includes actions such as reducing waste, supporting renewable energy, practicing responsible consumption, and engaging in reforestation or wildlife protection programs. By educating communities, advocating for eco-friendly policies, and adopting sustainable practices in daily life, we can contribute to the restoration and long-term
Ito ang mga paraan na kung paano alagaan ang ating likas yaman. Okay now. Okay now, formalize.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, class, please formalize.
Okay,